Hey everybody, welcome back to another Jackson Jet Setting hotel review. Today we're checking out the Hilton Phoenix Chandler in Chandler, Arizona. We're here for a wedding weekend and wanted to check out the hotel and stay nearby the festivities. The hotel was under a lot of renovation, so there wasn't too much really to show in the lobby. It was all kind of under construction, but it will be finished by the time that you probably stay here. Hotel has a nice little pool area. The whirlpool was also closed for renovation, but there are a couple things here to do on property. It is a full service hotel within Hilton, so as a diamond I got $15 per person per day to use. They have a lobby bar, and then they also have a breakfast restaurant. The breakfast restaurant closed a little too early for me in the morning, so I didn't get to actually review that one. The fitness center is located right next to the pool. It was also under renovation, so it wasn't open during my visit. This was all clearly stated on the website, though not when I made the booking, so it might have been a surprise for people trying to stay here during this time. There is a nice little conference facility out near the pool area as well. There was a conference going on while we were here. So just keep that in mind if you're trying to stay here in the next few months of this video posting. The lounge that used to be on the top floor is also closed. But now let's take a look at the room, which the room itself was pretty nice. Needed not too much really in terms of TLC. I think they've kept everything up pretty nicely here. You can definitely tell that it's a Hilton though. I've seen this granite countertop many times before in Hiltons around the United States. You have your standard Hilton bath amenities. And then a nice little walk-in shower that got the job done for sure. One thing you probably will notice traveling with electronics is that there are no USBs in the room, no USB chargers. The coffee machine is kind of old drip coffee, no Nespresso or anything like that. So if that's important to you, then definitely take a look at that. So definitely an older style room. It was kept up nice though. And we did have a view of beautiful Chandler, Arizona. So not really much view outside the hotel. It's kind of located right on the highway, so it's really convenient for business travelers. But yeah, that's about it from the Hilton Phoenix Chandler.